Right then, welcome back to the channel, and today we're not looking at a car, a van or a truck or any vehicle for that matter. We're actually looking at a new bit of equipment that we've got for our workshop. So behind me is said new bit of equipment. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Guess below, put in the comments what you think it is. That's if we haven't already given it away in the thumbnail. But while you're commenting away, let's get it open and have a look. It's like a giant coal bag. Maybe it's some coal inside. And guess what it is yet? Show them what it is, Adam. But I want you to blur it. Might be locked. Can't even get in. New machine. Can't get in. You've got one of these at home, haven't you?
Yeah.
I knew that. So, have you guessed it yet? If not, this is our new DPF cleaner. So, we've still got to get it off the pallet. I think its permanent home is going to be where the eroser is now, but first we need to remove the eroser. So that's going to be the next job. We'll get it off the pallet, we'll get it plugged in and set up, and then we've got some guys coming out next week to commission this, show us how it's used. So we'll video that process and then we'll go into a little bit more depth on what it does and why we've got it. So a few weeks have passed. We've now got the DPF cleaner all set up and plumbed in. The guys from Carbon Clean have been out and showed us how to use it all. So now we just need to use it on customer DPFs. So we've got this DPF in. This is from a 2-litre TDI Transporter T6. The customer's been experiencing DPF problems. The van's been regenerating quite often. So we've got it in. We're going to do a clean on it and then we'll see what it's like when we're done. So let's get it clean. So as easy as that, we now have a clean DPF, or a cleaner DPF. It's not obviously going to completely get rid of everything. The entire process takes probably just over an hour, probably close to an hour and a half by the time you've kind of strapped it in, put all your blanks in. So I think the initial cleaning process with the water is about 35 minutes, and then there's an additional 40 minutes on top of that, just blasting it out and drying it fully. Probably wondering what all the stuff is that comes out. So if we have a look in these filters, probably this one. So all this, I suppose it looks like sand, is what is blocking up the DPF. So quite a bit in the bottom of there. And this machine is still fairly new, we've hardly done any DPFs in it, so it just goes to show how much crap actually comes out of them. I do have the printout as well. So before this had 177 millibars of pressure, and now we're on 135, so probably 25% drop, something like that, which is quite a big difference. Hopefully that makes a difference on the road as well to stop the regeneration. The cleaning process, like I said, it's not going to make your DPF completely brand new and completely reset the lifespan of it. When they get to a certain point, there's only so much you can clean out of them. What you're probably better off doing is, rather than leaving it until the DPF is at a point where it's blocked and causing you problems, the DPF cleaning service, you probably want to do it, I don't know, periodically, maybe every couple of years, something like that, just to keep on top of the DPF, rather than getting it to a point where it's too blocked that it's gone too far and you can't really do much with it. So that is probably the main benefit of this DPF cleaner. Just tie it in with your servicing. If it's a long life service, like I said, every 2 years, just give you the DPF a clean out and it should last a lot longer. So we'll get this unstrapped now and get it back to the customer, I suppose. So we'll probably be doing a couple more of these on customer vehicles, so we'll get some more footage and put it at the end of this video just to fill it out a little bit. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be, but fingers crossed you liked it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.